Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the back glass on the Samsung Galaxy S7. This one, front's fine, back's just trashed. So, it's not too bad. Maybe get some heat. You want to get it warm, but not too hot, because you don't want to mess up the phone. Now you're going to want to try to get underneath this bottom edge. Because of the curved back glass, it's very difficult to really pull this off. Alright, gotta add a little bit more heat to it. Sorry, I had a phone call come in. So, the adhesive is really around the edges. Literally on this. It's not in here or nothing. You gotta be careful because the wireless charger is underneath the back of the glass here. Whether you use it or not, you don't want to damage it. Alright. So it came off in one piece, which is nice. We didn't damage anything, which is also nice. But we're gonna have to pull out these, let's move this off to the side. Pull out these parts here. we had to get all the crap off of there so we can get the new piece in there without any issues. So I make sure all the old tape is off. I want to make sure I didn't get any fingerprints or anything on this camera lens. Pushing it in. And basically we're just gonna have to pull that off, stick it on. I like to just double check and push it. Make sure it's nice and tight with the adhesive. And that's it. So there's doing a back glass on a Samsung Galaxy S7. It's pretty easy, not too hard. It's kind of an expensive piece of glass, really, is what it comes down to. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, and check out some more if you're looking for some other repairs. See ya.